YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. As you guys can probably see by the title, we're finally going to be ceramic coating my HREs for the second time around. So yeah, it shouldn't be too bad. I really want to get these wheels coated so it makes my life easier when I clean them in the future. For those of you guys that are new here to the channel, I have a pair of HRE S101s. They are 20-inch rims that I just got refinished in a gloss black barrel and a satin black or a matte black face. This is actually my second time refinishing them, so this is going to be my second time ceramic coating them, of course. But yeah, thank you guys for clicking on this video. I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe for future content. Let's get it. It's Friday, just got back from the gym, so cheers. But we are going to jack up the car. We're probably going to put Kyler's wheels on the back, and then we're going to have jacks and jack stands for the front. But I'm going to take off all 4 wheels this time. Last time I didn't have Kyler's wheels, aka F30 skirt. Shout out to you, my dude, for lending me these wheels. So lucky for you guys, I can snap my fingers and within seconds all 4 wheels are off. But for me, it's obviously going to take me a while, so I'll be back in 3, 2, 1. There we go. Wheels are off. We got Kyler's 255s on the rears, and then his 225s don't clear the brakes, so we just have a jack and jack stands on both sides. And then we have the beautiful HRE S101 3-piece wheels ready for their deep clean, deep bath before we apply the ceramic coating, of course. So I got the pressure washer ready to go. We have Adam's iron remover and PNS brake buster that we're going to be using on the wheels themselves. I think that should be a good decon session for these wheels. I mean, they are fairly brand new. The finish is still in immaculate condition. But now let's go ahead and get these washed up. Another beautiful day here in Florida. Can't beat that. But we have all 4 wheels right here lined up, ready to be washed. So sad seeing the F80 like this. But here's the trifecta that we're going to be using today. We're going to be foaming up the wheels first, and then we're going to spray them off. And then once that is done, we're going to use the Adams iron remover followed by the PNS brake buster. I'm obviously going to spray it off after each product, not let it dwell too long. That's what we're going to be doing today. Let's go for it. Easy detail brush. Little wash mitt for the barrels. Now we got some iron remover going in. And now I'm gonna let that sit for, I think, like 4 or 5 minutes. Don't let it dry, of course. And then we're gonna spray that off and then hit it with some brake buster, dry them off pretty good. We should be good to go. Just rinse the brake buster off, and now all we have left to do is dry the wheels. We are back in the garage now. We got all the wheels on the table, cleaned and prepped and ready to go. Then we have one down here alongside the beautiful Kona. I just did a final spot check on each of the wheels. I'm probably gonna do one more, make sure I didn't miss any spots or watermarks, but these look so clean right now. It reminds me of the day that I got them and I had them just laying out on the gym floor over here. Let's go. So this is what you're going to need today. We are going to be using the same bottle of Deluxe, which is sea quartz. It's a off-the-shelf ceramic coating that anyone can do at home. You can get it on Amazon. I'll have it linked down in the description below. And then shout out to my boy Hands On Detailing for hooking me up with some applicator pads and cloths right here for the barrel. You just want to have some gloves. You don't want to get this on your hands, of course. And then you have the block right here, which will have the cloth around like that. And that's how we're going to be applying this ceramic coating. In regards to these corners right here where the block isn't going to be able to get behind, I'm probably just going to use my finger around with the cloth so I can get in all the corners. And then obviously the barrels will be last, as those are the easiest. But this is the before. I'll definitely keep you guys updated as we go along. We're going to do 2 separate coats today, and then we're going to let them cure for about 8 hours each. So right now it is nighttime, and I'm going to let these cure overnight and then come back tomorrow morning, and then we're going to hit it with a second coat. So what you want to do is apply a couple of drops of the Deluxe onto the applicator pad or cloth, and then you obviously want to rub that in around the rim, around the face and the barrels. And then I'm not sure exactly what the flash time is. I think it's like 2 to 5 minutes or so. So that gives you enough time to come back around with clean microfiber and level it off. You want to make sure there's no high spots. You want to make sure that you level off all of the ceramic coating and that everything's nice and even.
A few moments later.
All right, within a matter of seconds for you guys, but it took me probably like an hour or so. I took my time on it. So this is the finished product of the first coat. You guys can see the wheels look so good. I think the ceramic coat kind of just like brought out the satin slash matte finish in the wheels themselves. It's hard to pick it up on camera, but in person, the gloss black barrels are super glossy, and then the matte black or satin face kind of just has like more of a shine to it. You guys can see the distinct color difference right there. Another wheel for you guys to see. And then I wanted to show you guys the barrel of this one. I mean, it is so glossy and slick. 3-piece wheels are definitely more intricate because you have to get your fingers right behind this spoke right here, and that does take some time, so it just requires a lot of patience. And with Deluxe, I only had a flash time of 1 minute, so I had to make sure that I didn't have any high spots or didn't let anything dry too long. So yeah, I was carefully walking around the wheels a bunch of times, making sure I wiped down each spot, but I think they look pretty good. We're gonna leave them overnight, and then in the morning tomorrow, I'm going to get back here and do a second coat. Have my helper, you already know. I'm gonna do one more spot check before I call it a night, and then I will catch up with you guys in the morning. A little goes a long way when you're applying ceramic coating. And then I want to show you guys how much we have left in the bottle. I think that's plenty for tomorrow, and then I'll even have extra if I need to ceramic coat anything in the future. But this thing is what, 45, 50 bucks on Amazon. Super user friendly and super easy to apply. The only thing is when you are buffing this one out, it does require a lot more friction or manpower, I would say, but I'll definitely link this in the description below. All right, we are back the next morning, and they have been curing for about like 8 hours or so. So now we are going to apply the second coat, and then we will catch up with you guys after that. And just like that, we have all 4 wheels coated with the second coat. So I'm just gonna let that cure for another probably like 6 to 8 hours or so. These look so good. Again, I'm gonna go over and do another visual check, make sure I didn't leave any high spots out. But this second time around, applying the coating went on a lot easier because I mean, everything was just gliding. It was so smooth from the first coat. Super happy so far with the turnout. The wheels look incredible. It's so smooth, it's like butter. But yeah, I'll catch up with you guys in a few hours, and then I wanted to show you how much we have left after doing another 2 coats on each of the wheels. Yeah, we still got plenty if we have anything else that we need to coat in the future. It has been 6 to 8 hours, and this is letting them cure again with the second coat. Not sure if it's gonna pick up well on camera, but finish is super smooth right now. The outside barrel super smooth. I'm obviously not going to wash the car for a few days, but I think these are good to go back on the car. I think the ceramic coating really brings out like the matte and satin, as I probably said already in this video. It looks so dope. You can really see the difference between the 2 tones of black right here. Absolutely love it. So with the movie magic, we'll have the wheels on in 3, 2, and 1. Just like that, we got the garage all cleaned up. We have all 4 wheels back on the car, looking better than ever. Hell yeah. We are back, baby. Can finally go take my car out, film some more content for you guys. That's what I'm most excited about. But now the wheels are gonna be hydrophobic, which should also repel some of the brake dust and dirt grime. So super happy with the turnout. Super easy. Just take some time and patience, of course. But overall, super happy with the result. Super happy with the turnout. I'll make sure to leave the Deluxe C-quartz down below in the description. It's something that you guys can apply yourself at home, whether it be on your wheels or whether it be like other carbon fiber stuff that you get for your car. I mean, super easy to apply. But yeah, that's basically gonna wrap up this video. It's gonna be a short and sweet one, straight to the point. I hope you guys enjoyed watching. This is probably dropping on Monday, so if you haven't entered the giveaway yet, the winner will be announced on Wednesday, which means I'll be drawing the winners tomorrow, Tuesday. I'll just do a random generator of all the comments. So if you're watching this and you're not subscribed, what are you doing? And if you haven't entered the giveaway yet with a Simply Carbon Fiber $75 giveaway, make sure you guys click on that video and make sure you guys enter for your chance to win. But other than that, we'll catch you on the next video, guys. Make sure you guys drop a like, comment down below, and subscribe for future content, and we'll see you on the next one. Take care. Peace.